All right guys, today we've got some really thin 24 gauge perforated plate that we're going to weld here in a butt weld. This can be a really challenging application for conventional arc welding, but with the laser we've got very precise control of our heat input, and we're going to be able to lay this weld down, really no worries of blowing through. All right guys, that is 100% pen without melting off any of those little edges of the perf plate. Really fast, really simple. If you're curious of more applications that the laser is a good fit for, head on over to millerwelds.com.